Hi people, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the Toss Kitchen. So guys, today I'm taking you guys to Cameroon. I'm taking you guys to Nso in Banso. So Banso is in the English speaking side, which is the northwest of Cameroon. So I'm gonna show you one of their dishes. So today we are making red kidney beans with potato. So here is my red kidney. This is my red kidney beans. This is my potato, yellow potato. So I have my chicken here. I have carrots. I have bell pepper, and I have my onions. I also have other seasonings that I'm gonna use. So let's go to the kitchen and put them together. So guys, I'm starting off with my chicken. I'm gonna be adding salt to it. Okay. So I'm adding up my pepper, blended pepper, with some onions. And I'm giving it a good mix. So I'm gonna allow it to cook. I'm gonna allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, people, let's see the chicken. Okay, yeah. So guys, the chicken is ready. I'm gonna add my kidney beans. Okay. I'm gonna mix it together. I'm gonna add little water to it. So guys, at the same time, I'm adding my potato. And I'm gonna allow it to cook for 10 minutes. And I'll be topping water into it. Okay guys, so let's see what we have. Whoa. Wow. Can you see that? So guys, I'm gonna be doing something. This is how we do it then, how we cook. You see, I just drop in the pepper. I drop 2 pepper inside without cutting it. And I'm also gonna be adding my palm oil to it. My weather is cold, so my oil is actually thick. Let me get a smaller spoon for it. I'm gonna give it a good mix. It's an easy food to make, fast, very fast. And I'm also gonna be adding my seasoning. I'm using Maggi chicken, so I'm gonna be using my Maggi chicken. Okay, and I'm gonna put my remaining onions to it. I'm gonna cover it. Oh wow, guys, check out this. So guys, it's almost ready, so I'm gonna put my veggies on it. Well, veggies is actually optional if you want, but I love it this way. I add my carrots, and I add my bell pepper. I'm giving it the last minute and I'm done with it. I told you that it's a fast food and it can never go wrong. So guys, check this out. Please guys, try this. It's so nice, it's healthy. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave comment for me and share my video. Please guys, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. This is the end of our cooking. Okay guys, so this is what we have. This is our red kidney with potato. It's super yummy guys, so try and make it. Just like I said in the cooking, I was begging you guys to subscribe, like, leave comment for me and share. Thank you guys, and when you do this, please don't forget to leave message for me, leave comment, tell me how yummy it is or what you think about it. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, bye.